It's still not sunny and warm like we were promised, but we're not gonna be irritated by that, right? Anyway, we're in Valetta. What a surprise, it's windy today. For the first time today. Here you could see the Fontana di Trevi or something, I don't know. And now we're entering the Vatican. Still windy. Pep, is it windy?
My favorite music.
Since it's too windy, the Three Cities ferry is not going.
Magst du ein paar Worte über diesen historischen Ort verlieren?
Well, this is a fountain and this is a temple, and put it here for no particular reason. As you can see, Valetta is a nice little town with almost no tourists. We're practically alone here.
These are just locals going for a walk.
First one of the three cities, Senglea, or whatever it is pronounced. I have no idea with the Three Cities tour where one city ends and the other city begins. Yeah, I don't know. I think we're in Vittoriosa now. It's really nice. If you know whose boat this is, call me. Alright, in the comments.